well, basically from the start of the season to December, at the end of December, with a really bad muscle injury which needed an operation. Not played much since then. Returned in the Copa del Rey on the 3rd of January away to Barbastro. And he'll be hoping not to have a repeat of last season when he was sent off in the 77th minute. 71st minute, I tell a lie, for 2 yellow cards, both fouls on Vinicius. Although he actually played at right back in that game. Lucas Vázquez. Didn't have any options there, Koundé. Could only send it down the line, which Ferland Mendy collects. Oh. Mbappe and Lamine Yamal. This time it's Lamine Yamal who loses out. Slides that ball into Vinicius, who's going to look to get into the penalty area. Not seen much of Vinicius Junior so far, although he did win the ball for the opening goal for Real Madrid. Camavinga ends up with a shot that goes high. There's another look at that. Look how Lewandowski pulls Rudiger out of position. And he has hardly any angle now. It's just tremendous finish there from Lamine Yamal. Ooh, now Lewandowski in the wars as he got caught there on the knee by Camavinga. There's not been much of a let-up in the opening 31 minutes of this. This is actually, this match, this Super Cup is the first time in a Super Cup in Saudi Arabia that Real Madrid have played the second semi-final. They've always played the first semi-final until now. Once again, Lamine Yamal looks for space this time that isn't there. The only reason they're actually playing the second semi-final here is that they had to fit in an extra league game on the 3rd of January, which meant that the